morning class. As we have started with the exercise of chapter 4 nouns. Now today we are going to continue with the exercises only. Now today we are going to do H and I exercise in our book. So in H and I exercise, the H exercise is based on countable and uncountable nouns. Now before beginning the exercise, let me give you explanation of what are countable and what are uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns that can be counted. They have both singular and plural forms. For example, we can say car, cars, and bag, bags. So we have both singular and plural forms in the countable noun. Uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted. They do not have singular and plural forms. For example, milk, honey. Milks we cannot write and honeys we cannot write. So it is uncountable. Uncountable does not include singular and plural forms. Now, here we know that what are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. In the I exercise, that exercise is based on concrete noun and abstract noun. Now what are concrete nouns? Concrete nouns are those nouns that you can see and touch. They have different shapes and sizes. Concrete nouns have different shapes and sizes. You can feel them with your hands also. You can touch them and you can feel them also. For example, juice. Juice we can also see and we can touch that also. And abstract noun. Abstract nouns tells us the names of things which we cannot see or touch. They do not have any shape or size. We can only feel them. Just we can feel them. Honesty, happiness, sorrow, beauty. All these are abstract nouns. We can only feel them. We cannot see or touch them. We can just feel them. Now, the exercise H and I are based on these nouns only. Now, let us begin with the exercise H and I from our books. So, open to page number 22 in your English language books and let us begin with the exercise. Now, today as I have told you that we are going to continue with chapter noun only. Today we are going to do exercises on page number 22. That is countable and uncountable noun and the other one is concrete and abstract noun. We are going to do this today. Countable and uncountable noun. Some nouns can be counted. We can count some of the nouns. These are called countable nouns. These are called countable nouns. The nouns which can be counted, which we can count, and they have both singular and plural forms are the countable nouns. Example, car, cars, coin, coins, box, boxes. We can say na box, boxes, car, cars. So they are all countable nouns. Some nouns cannot be counted. The nouns which we cannot count, these are called uncountable nouns. Those are uncountable nouns. The noun which cannot be counted, like sugar we cannot count, milk we cannot count, honey we cannot count. They are all uncountable nouns. They do not have any plural form. They have just singular form, but they do not have any plural form. Example, milk, honey. Example of uncountable noun are milk and honey. We cannot say milks or honeys. We cannot say like this, milks, honeys. We just say milk, honey, as we cannot count it, so they are uncountable nouns. Now, exercises, tick the countable noun and cross the uncountable noun. You have to read all these words given and you have to tell whether they are countable or whether they are non-countable. That means uncountable. If they are uncountable, you have to put a cross in front of it, and if they are countable, put a tick in front of it. First one has been done for you. Cap. Caps can be counted. Caps. Money. Can we count money? Yes, we can count money. So put a tick in front of money. Dog. We can count dogs. So put a tick in front of table. Yes, we can also count table. Salt. Salt cannot be counted. So put a cross in front of salt, as salt cannot be counted. Fish. Fish can be counted. Egg. Egg can also be counted. They are all countable nouns. Bus. Bus can also be counted. So put a tick in front of it because bus is a countable noun. Mud. Mud cannot be counted. So it is a uncountable noun. Put a wrong in front of it. Water. Water can also not be counted, as we cannot count water. So put a cross in front of it, as it is a uncountable noun. Now let us move to page number 23. On page number 23, concrete and abstract noun. Read the following words. Cotton. Concrete nouns are those nouns that we can just touch and see. They have different shape and sizes too, but you can only feel them with your hands. And you can also feel, we can touch them, see them, and can also feel them with our hands. Now, cotton, juice, bag, woman, teacher, chalk. We can touch the cotton, juice we can drink, we can also see it, bag we can touch and see both. Woman can also be seen, teacher can also be seen, chalk can be touched and see. All these nouns that you can touch and see, the nouns which you can touch and see, they have different shapes and sizes too. They have different types of shapes and sizes also. Such nouns are called concrete nouns. They are called concrete nouns. You can feel them with your hands. You can just touch them and feel them with your hands also. Now, I hope the concrete nouns are clear to all of you. Now, let us move to abstract noun. Abstract noun, before reading this, let me tell you, abstract noun are those nouns that we can only feel it, but neither we can touch it nor we can see it. We can neither touch that nor see that. Those are abstract noun. Read the following word. Now let us read it. Kindness, honesty, truth, beauty, wisdom, sympathy. These are all the words which we can feel, but we cannot touch them. Kindness we cannot touch, honesty we cannot touch, truth we cannot touch, beauty, wisdom, sympathy, we cannot touch all these words. We can just feel them. Such nouns are called abstract nouns. They are all abstract nouns. These are the idea that we can only experience. We can feel them but cannot touch them. As I have told you that we can feel them but we cannot touch them. They do not have any shape and size. Sympathy, truth does not have any shape and size also. Now, I hope the abstract noun is clear to all of you. Now let us move to the exercise of it. That is I1. Write down 3 concrete and 3 abstract nouns in the space given below. You have to write 3 concrete nouns here and 3 abstract nouns here. So let us take the concrete nouns from the above example. Concrete noun, cotton, bag, we can write, and the teacher. We have written 3 concrete noun over here. And now let us write abstract noun. Honesty, truth, and beauty. These are the 3 examples of abstract noun. Now, we have done exercise H and I today. Homework for you all is to learn exercise C of this chapter, noun only. Thank you.